Your Fairfax County Office of Emergency Management just wrote the book on surviving and thriving through a disaster. It's called the Community Emergency Response Guide, or CERG for short. The CERG focuses on neighbor helping neighbor to endure disasters. Is your community ready? Taking these 5 steps will help you and your neighbors prepare for the worst. Step 1, define your area. Define the area your plan will cover using street names and landmarks. In a multi-story building, include floors and units. Make a map of the area and add to it as your plan develops. Step 2, recruit leaders and participants. Make a list of people in your neighborhood identifying specialized skills or experience that would be useful in developing or implementing a community disaster plan. Step 3, scout your neighborhood. Use the CERG to help identify the hazards most likely to threaten your neighborhood. Then tailor your plan to address those specific risks. List all assets your community can rely on when responding to or recovering from a disaster. Be sure to include special skills and experience, as well as material assets. Add critical locations and information to your map, like a neighborhood gathering place, a triage area, and an emergency services entrance. Then distribute copies to your neighbors. Step 4, build your team. Build teams that can help the neighborhood before disaster strikes. The CERG will help you determine who should fill which roles and who their alternates should be. Step 5, plan your approach. Armed with information on your neighborhood's disaster readiness, it's time to write your plan. Detail each family's responsibilities. The community as a whole will see a swifter recovery if its individual families are prepared. Decide on a neighborhood meeting spot and have a communications plan that accounts for interruptions in mobile services. Make sure your communications plan, including alternate contact information, is posted at your meeting location. It may seem like a lot, but don't be overwhelmed. A community disaster plan is meant to be built incrementally, over time. As new neighbors with new skills and perspectives join the team, the plan becomes more robust. But the first step, download the CERG. You can find it on the Fairfax County Office of Emergency Management's webpage at fairfaxcounty.gov/emergency management. Take responsibility, join your neighbors, make your community resilient and self-reliant when it matters most.